Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the issue when apps are not visible in Google Play Store on Honor 200 Pro. You can see that I've been searching for PUBG Mobile and it's not displaying. This may be due to parental controls. Let's edit parental controls to enable downloading of this game or any other game you want to download. Go to the main screen of Google Play Store and tap on your profile icon in top right corner. Then go to Settings, Family, Parental Controls. You can see they are on and the restriction is set to PUBG free. You can change the restrictions or completely disable parental controls by entering the PIN that has been previously set to content restrictions. If someone has set parental controls for you, they know the PIN for parental controls. Let me disable parental controls and you can see I need to enter content PIN. Mine has been set to 1, 2, 3, 4, but yours may be different. I can also enable it back on, and when I enable it back on after disabling it, I can create new content pin. So I can, for example, create 0987, okay, and let's confirm it, okay. And I can change the restrictions. You can set it to 3, 7, 12 or 16 years old. I'm gonna set it 12, understood, and save. But since I want to download PUBG, I'll just disable parental controls. Then go back and search for PUBG Mobile or any other game you wanted to download, and you can see I can press on install and it starts installing. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.